it's me Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video I am going to show you guys the random picks that I did from Amazon, and it's going to be an Amazon makeup haul. So this time, instead of buying from Nykaa, I thought of buying the makeup products from Amazon, and these are the products which are like totally budget friendly and not at all expensive, and you can say these are the cheapest makeup products that I actually picked from Amazon. And if compared to Nykaa, I even got the prices to be lesser by 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15, 20, like this. And so I thought of sharing it with you guys, and the product links will be given in the description box below, so you can check them. And definitely it's not affiliated or sponsored by Amazon. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. I am going to show you all the random things. Like, I'm not going to go any specific order wise, since all the products are here and there. And sorry for the noise that's coming from the background. It's the building construction which is going on from ages now. Okay, so the first product that I am showing you guys are these magnetic lashes, of which even I'm going to do a separate first time try review video as well. This is from the brand Kalilis. So this is how it looks from the inside. We get different lashes and they're very soft when we touch it. 2 bottles with the liquid magnetic liner, and this is the lash holder that we get along with this itself. The actual price was something around 1500, and I got this for 729 or 759 maybe. I'll put the yeah, it is 729 rupees. I got this one, and it's in the size CY502. Then the next item that I have is an Insight waterproof eyeliner. It looks somewhat like this, and this one I got for 70 rupees. I clearly remember this one because the moment it arrived, I was so much excited to actually try this thing on to see whether this is really waterproof or not. And trust me guys, this is like steal deal kind of an offer. It's just 70 rupees and it stays for like so long time, and I am in love with this product. Then the next product that I have is from Swiss Beauty. It is the mascara. It looks somewhat like this. This is the packaging. So you can't order 1 mascara. The minimum purchase is 2, and then you can select as many you want. So I bought 2 of these. One was for 161 rupees, something like that. So both I got for 333 rupees. And this is like really very nice mascara. It is waterproof, but the only problem that I felt in this was like this was a little liquidy. Then the next product that I have is again from Swiss Beauty. This is the eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks like. This I think it's for 120 rupees, and again it says that it is waterproof. So I haven't tried this one yet, and I am planning to do a separate video for all the Swiss Beauty products that I have bought from Amazon, because they were very cheap, and I have even heard a lot of good reviews regarding the Swiss Beauty products. So I thought of trying them and trying them out right in front of you for the first time and giving the feedback. The next product that I have is the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline New York. This is how the packaging looks like. Maybelline is one of my favorite drugstore products, and no matter what, I always make sure that I end up buying 1 mascara from the Maybelline brand, no matter whichever brand's mascara I have. But I always make sure that I have this Maybelline ka mascara with me. I got this from I got this for 268 rupees, and I saved 131 rupees. So the next up that I have is from Club Comfort Sparkling Glitter Metallic Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So I got this for 449 rupees, and these are These are like this. They are in total 5 and I got these 5 for 449. And they the glitter is like absolutely amazing. I love the chunky glitter that this particular product have, but as they have said that this is waterproof, it's not at all waterproof. The glitter runs here and there. But if you use some glue like lash glue or the makeup glue, so I think that this can stay for really long time. But price wise and the glitter wise, I think it's a good product. The next product that I have is this blue eyeliner from the brand Lakme, and this is for rupees 117, and it says that it is blue water resistant long lasting eyeliner. And yes, this is what I have applied at this moment as the liner for this video. And yes, it is a good product except for its formula. The formula is a little liquidy, so if you are not that perfect with it, so it can just go here and there. The next product that I have is again from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is the eyebrow pencil, and it is the shade black. Like, they don't have the shade numbers, but they have directly the names like black, brown, like this, the medium brown. So I ordered this black one and I haven't tried it yet, and it states that this is waterproof. Then the next product that I have are again from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is the eyeshadow palette. It has 9 shades in it, and then I have this glitter eyeshadow. It's the glitter metallic eyeshadow that I have. It's in the shade 03. Then the last thing from this brand is this lipstick which I bought, and it's in the shade 203 Hazelnut. So the next product that I have is totally out of the curiosity sort of impulse buying. It was just because I love the packaging so much, and it is an eyeliner. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Can you see it? It's like, it is totally into the feather ka shape, and it states that it is 24 hours long lasting eyeliner. It's by the brand Aya or Aya maybe. I guess this I bought for around 200ish something, and it is like literally super black. Like you can see, it is jet black, and it really stays for long time, and its application is also very smooth. The next product that I have is not related to makeup, but it is related to nails. As few of you might know that I am crazy for nails, and I used to do the acrylic nails extension as well. So just due to this lockdown and other things like that, so I am totally out of the stock. I don't have any sort of material, so I couldn't do my nails with acrylics, but these are my natural nails, so I like to decorate them. I really love decorating my nails. So I ordered these tattoo stickers from Amazon, and this one is for 119 rupees. But the actual design which I ordered, this design is totally different from that, but it's in the same shade of pink. Then the other thing which I ordered is again related to nails. These are the foil rolls that I ordered from Amazon, and I'll definitely show you guys how to use this. It could be over here or on my Instagram, so I am not so sure like where I'm going to upload that video, but you can even follow me on my Instagram, which is just Somenair, and you will get to know that where I am going to upload iska video. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of mine, and if you really did, please do not forget to give the thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel right here, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications. And yes, thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.